Hello viewers, Messenger not installing from Play Store. Showing this error cannot install Messenger. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix it. So let's see the step. For solving this problem, just go to Play Store. Now click on Profile icon. Now click on Settings. Now click on Network Preference. From here, you can see App Download Preference. Just click on this option. Now click on Over any networks. Now click on OK. Now go back to home screen. Now long press on Play Store app. Now click on App Info or I button. Now scroll down. Click on Storage and Cache. Now click on Clear Data. Now click on Delete. Now go back to home screen. Normally restart your phone. Now open Play Store and try to install Messenger and see problem solved successfully. In this way you can easily solve this problem. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe.